Hello students, today we are going to do the exercise 4.3. First part is multiple choice question. First sum is 7542 divided by 16. Now here is division by 2-digit number, that is 16. Divisor is 2-digit number. So you have to find the quotient and the remainder. How you can do this? See, now 7542 is there, here is 16, so you can take the leftmost 2-digit number, okay, because device is 2-digit. So firstly 16 4s are 64 and 16 5s are 80. Now 64 is smaller than 75 and 80 is greater than 75, so 16 4s are 64. Now subtract 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. Now bring down 4 for making 104. Now 16 7s are 112, 16 8s are 128. Now 112 is smaller than 114 and 128 is greater than 114. So we take 16 7s are 112. Now subtract 4 minus 2 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring down 2 for making 22. Now 16 ones are 16 is there. 16 ones are 16 because 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. 32 is greater than 22 and 16 is smaller than 22. So we take 16 ones are 16. Now subtract 2 is smaller than 6. So we take carry from 2. Here left 1 and it becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So our remainder is 6. Quotient is 471 and remainder is 6. So our A option is the correct answer. So you can do second and third by self. Now come to the second part. You have to find the quotient and the remainder. Now first sum is 5674 divided with 21. Now see, here is 2-digit number divisor. So we take 2-digit from the leftmost side. So 21 3s are 63 and 21 2s are 42. So 42 is smaller than 56 and 63 is greater than 56. So we take 21 2s are 42. 21 2s are 42. Now subtract 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now bring down 7 for making 147. Now 21 7s are 147. Now it is completely divided. 21 7s are 147. Now subtract this 0 0 0. Now bring down 4. Now you see 4 is smaller than 21, means 21 zeros are 0 and 21 ones are 21. So we take this 21 zeros are 0. Now subtract 4 minus 0 is 4. So our remainder is 4. So quotient is 270 and remainder is 4. Now see to the fifth one, 5427 divided with 15. 5427 divided with 15. Now firstly take 2-digit because divisor is 2-digit. So firstly 15 3s are 45 and 15 4s are 60. Now 45 is smaller than 54 and 60 is greater than 54. So we take 15 3s are 45. Now subtract this. Now 4 is smaller than 5. Now we take carry. Here left 4 and becomes 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Now bring down 2 for making 92. Now 15 6 are 90 and 15 7s are 105. Okay, now 90 is smaller then 92 and 105 is greater than, so we take 15 6 are 90. Now subtract 2 minus 0 is 2, 9 minus 9 is 0. Now bring down 7 for making 27. Now 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are 30. So 15 is smaller, so 15 ones are 15. Now subtract this. 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So our quotient is 361 and our remainder is 12. Now see to the 12th sum. 40,507 divided with the 12. First you take the 2 digit, that is 40. Here, because divisor is 2 digit number, so firstly take 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. Now 36 is smaller than 40 and 48 is greater than 40, so we take 12 threes are 36. 12 threes are 36. Now subtract this. Now 0 is smaller than 6, so we take carry here left 3 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now bring down 5 for making 45. Now again 12 threes are 36 and 12 fours are 48. Now see, 36 is smaller than 45 and 48 is greater than 45. So we take 12 threes are 36. Now subtract this. 5 is smaller than 6, so we take carry here left 3 and it becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Now bring down 0 for making 90. Now 12 sevens are 84 and 12 eights are 96. Now 84 is smaller than 90 and 96 is greater than 90, so we take 12 sevens are 84. 12 sevens are 84. Now subtract this. 0 is smaller than 4, so we take carry here left 8. It becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now bring down 7 for making 67. Now 12 fives are 60 and 12 fives are 60. 12 6 are 72. Now 60 is smaller than 67 and 72 is greater than 67. So we take 12 fives are 16. Now subtract. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now so our remainder is 7. So our quotient is 3375 and remainder is 7. Another part you can do by yourself on your fair notebook. Thanks.